This is my baby Abby Rose, and she's got kennel cough. She was at a doctor's office or vet's office in Murfreesboro, and she has kennel cough, and we're doing everything we can to make her feel better. And she is just having a rough time, huh, baby? She's not feeling so good. It's a virus, and it really irritates everything. And so we're just trying to make her comfortable, make her feel better. I don't know. Hopefully we can get that done with some Benadryl and some other things. I wish my hubby was here to help me. Josh always knew what to do. But anyway, everybody say prayers for Abby.